Hi guys, today we're making the easiest weeknight dinner that you'll ever make. It is a creamy baked tortellini. Now we'll start by browning 1.5 pounds of ground beef using my meat masher to mash it into tiny pieces so it's easier to spread in the casserole. Then I'll add about a teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, and salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to pour in 24 ounces of marinara sauce. You can use whatever spaghetti sauce you like. Using the same jar, I'm just going to put about a 1/4 cup of water in the pan as well. Now I'm going to just add a small block of Boursin cheese. You can add cream cheese if you like, but I like Boursin cheese more. And I'm just going to melt it in the mixture there. Once the cheese is almost all melted and it's nice and creamy, I'm going to actually pour it in this grease casserole dish because I'm supposed to be adding my tortellini, but I don't think it'll fit. So I'll just add this to the casserole dish. Now I'm going to add my tortellini. I am using 29 ounces of refrigerated beef and cheese tortellini, but you can use whatever you choose and just give it a really good mix. Once it's all mixed up, you can go ahead and add your 2 cups of shredded cheese. I am using cheddar and mozzarella, but you can use whatever you choose. Now we'll bake it in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 25 to 30 minutes. I then put it on broil for about 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it. A quick, comforting, creamy baked tortellini that always hits the spot when you're starving at the end of a work day. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. We'll see you tomorrow.